It's literally like all 4. Yeah. And I'm still sleeping. I'm still awake. I can't go to sleep. I'm gonna go sleep like 5 o'clock. And I'm gonna wake up like 12 o'clock. I'm just gonna sit and like scroll on TikTok. But I'm gonna post this like on YouTube. I'm gonna post it on YouTube. And what I already posted it on YouTube. So why is the matter of saying I am? But yeah. I know you guys can't see me because the room is dark. But yeah. Like bring it closer. Okay now. But yeah, bro. And please hit that like and subscribe button. And please, like okay, I'm not gonna beg you, but just please subscribe. I want like like hit two subscribers. I know like I'm not so famous, but my goal is to like reach with the other. Wow, I can't speak. But yeah, my goal is to reach with the other people, the other YouTubers, to reach like 5,000, 5 billion subscribers, 4 million. You see, something like that. But now I'm only like here by 2, 3. Like, I forgot how many subscribers do I have. 1 subscriber. But you guys, please subscribe and like. I really need the subscribers. And my dream is to be a professional rugby player and play for South Africa and win them the World Cup. And yeah, but I'm still awake at like half 4. And I'm gonna go sleep by 5 o'clock and wake up. Yeah, but I'm gonna go scroll by on TikTok. And comment if you guys can watch TikTok. I'm only 10 years old. I'm only 10 and I'm already on TikTok. I'm too young to be scrolling on TikTok.